G'day, mate, and welcome back to the Crust with me, Jenny. We're currently launched one more package off to space. We're making some good amounts of money. In fact, that should complete our little contract, hopefully, and make us a whole lot of money. Also, at the same time, today's plan is to continue expanding production. Hopefully, we can get a whole lot more drones bought, ordered, and shipped down. Also, we need to deal with a few more storyline elements. So, great job, Director. With your help, we'll restore the station. Now, communication between Crust facilities and region will become more stable and reliable. Thank you for your cooperation. Funds have been already transferred to your account. What? That's at 117 million something. Okay, well, that worked well. Okay, research. Can I jump to research? Can I also ask whether I could borrow that like? I don't know whether I asked whether I could borrow a like. I need to borrow a like because we've got lots of things to do. I want to get an elevator for conveyor belts. That's going to be very, very important. It's low on our list. Green science is what's holding us back. So, can we come in here and can I make sure green science has the priority and these ones do? No, don't. I also... Storage. Okay, I can't store any more CPUs. I can build with more CPUs, which is not a bad idea. Can I shove some CPUs in here? Maybe not there and there. Oh, I didn't mean to delete that. Oh, bugger. There's no cancel button.
Research complete.
Okay, well, research complete. Contract complete. Research complete. Extended trading license. Okay, so now I can have more than one contract. That's going to be very handy. Social. Can I get the colonist hiring market? That's also going to be very handy after I blow through a whole bunch of research.
We received requests from two competing organizations, Malachite and IEF. Both are asking for support, but we can only collaborate with one. Review the situation and make a decision. The disaster on the moon diminished Eurasian countries' trust in Crust and its programs. Together with the Malachite conglomerate, these states developed the Aurora Aerospace Complex project.
Okay.
The company's representatives contacted us and invited us to participate in the project as a resource supplier on favorable terms.
Oh, favorable terms. I like being
Upon
favorable
learning of
terms.
this, activists from the International Environmental Front decided to thwart the emergence of new dirty industries on Earth and prepared their own Aurora project to restore melting glaciers. The IEF plans to redirect the attention of Malachite investors to a more pressing environmental issue. We need to decide who to contract with.
What are they going to do? Build giant freezers in the North and South Pole? Our choices are, we can go with the hippies, or we can, join up with Malachite and make an Aurora Aerospace Complex where we can move all the dirty industries to the moon, where we're saving the Earth. So we're definitely going to be saving Earth. I think that's very, very important that we do our best to save Earth, because we're going to build a giant laser and hopefully save Earth, or Earth is done in like 1900 days, one or the other. So we're going to help Malachite.
You made the right choice, Director.
Yes.
The explosion on the moon was a great tragedy, but it was an eye-opener for many. The Crust monopoly threatens humanity's progress in space exploration.
But Crust is screwed.
Activists have been trying for centuries to resurrect an already dying planet, while we seek solutions for our common future.
Excellent idea.
Data for the first contract has already been sent. We hope to send it as soon as possible.
Well, it depends what it is. New contract available. Okay. You want... Well, that's doable. There's a bonus. There's a bonus. I like bonuses. We're going to take... What? Don't tell me not enough. You already told me I had enough. Can I go with a small cargo pod? There we go. And send. Okay. All right. How much was that? That was not a lot of money, was it? 20 grand. 20 grand is not enough to buy many bots. But I am sitting on 200 grand. So if I'm sitting on 200 grand, can I go to the market? I want to buy... They're peaked in price again. Okay. I want to sell. Can I sell microprocessors? They're worth a good amount of money each. Can I get rid of 20 of them? 19 of them. Can I get rid of some deuterium plate? Can I get rid of... I don't want to get rid of nanotubes, but nanotubes do turn into medicines. Medicines, it turns out, are very profitable to be selling. So we're going to sell a few of those. Food, not so profitable. Only 300 a piece, but... Something we consider. Energy cells. Ooh, energy cells. They sound nice. What else can I sell? I can sell components, but I only have 3 of them, and I just bought some, so let's not do that. I can sell microcircuits. Prefer not to. They're worth... Actually, they're worth good money. this is 100,000 ship. It's now 170,000 ship. For not a lot. Like, some tonnage, but not a lot of tonnage. I need a lot of these resources to do... Well, I need some of those resources. I don't remember which ones to fix the space... Fix the giant space elevator. So I guess we're just going to sell that. All right, it's a standard sale. It's not a contract. It would be better if it was a contract, but it is what it is. You are short on slag. Well, I'm trying to upgrade things. Okay, belts. Can I build those belts? Now I have the money, and that means that can start emptying. That's at 500. So can I throw another one of those on there? And can I get you to go forward and then that way? And then plug you in as well. Can I go to build all, and set you to be iron as well? Okay, research complete. Is the assembler 2, which unlocks the high-tech factory. I probably want a high-tech factory. That sounds very important. Doesn't unlock a high-tech factory. Okay. Lied to me. Lied to. All right. I do want to grab the single regolith refinery upgrade. I'm not planning on using it. Well, that just finished. Oh, that was the underground belts. Okay. I want to grab this so I can grab the large storage. Large storage sounds like something's going to be very, very helpful very, very soon. So can I bump that up the list because it should be quick and cheap? 10 days. That is both quick and cheap. All right. And I still need this to be finished. But is it a new day? I think it's a new day. Buy robots. Robots. They're more expensive. Okay. New contract. 54,000 with more science. Can I do that one too? I'm never going to save Earth. But we're going to make some money. These are the important things in life. Okay. Can I go to you? You're still driving. You're still driving. Can I actually get you? You need people. I don't have any pluses on the map.
Congratulations, Director. The corporation didn't suspect anything, and we successfully installed the equipment. We've already received the money along with words of gratitude from the client. Your risk paid off.
Oh, there you go.
It wasn't
More money.
entirely legal, but we didn't do anything too immoral, did we?
Of course not.
You're playing dangerous games, Director. You should be more cautious. Luck won't always be on your side.
Shh. Shh. Okay. That came down in price a little bit. Can I get 8 of them this time? And larger cargo pod. Yes, please. Okay, more robots. All right, with more robots coming in, can I get another one of these guys? Can I shove you... here? Here.
We have a new contract, this time from the Southwind Corporation. I'm sure you won't let me and the company down.
Of course, of course. Urgent contract. It is for those and those. I don't have any of those. It is 120 days. We're going to accept it. Okay, sudden stoppage of the resource supply affected even information security niche, Southwind, which develops security systems for commercial organizations that have been left without materials. This jeopardizes many of our colleges and future transactions with them. It's best interest to provide electronics and modular terminals as possible. That's not electronics, but sure. Okay, new contract available. You want, well, electronics. That's a problem. Okay, and that's a problem as well. Okay, so we need to get to this room. I need this room built. So we need to leave the drones alone for 5 minutes, maybe, and hopefully they can get some stuff done. What are you moving? You're moving that. Okay, so that should get this building rebuilt because I accidentally deconstructed it. I do have plenty of CPU capacity. I'd love to put down some solar, but I need to have them finish this room so I can get some more things built. All right, you need to do nano tubes again, and then hopefully I get to the modular frames. You're full, which is annoying because I don't have storage for you. That's the battery upgrade. which is nice. Drones we want. Fundamental? Increase the speed of hauling drone by 15%. He's really slow, but that's robot welding. Which means less repairing things, which means more getting stuff done. Yes, let's do that. Okay, so this is being built. All the stuff's being dropped off. Drones are coming, constructing a few at a time. Wrong button. Okay, 2 of our drones have been returned by our thingamajiggy bob, and we're going to send our transport out to pick up this. We're going to give you an engineer. You need to have a, I don't know, a Dorothy and a Frank. I'm going to send you back to base straight away. Fill all. Sent.
Director, this place was clearly inhabited until quite recently. Judging by the items left behind, they could be survivors from MT4, our ill-fated base. I'll contact their employers at Evermoon.
Okay. Well, P found nothing. Stranded convoy. We're going to go there then, I guess. And...
Director, we've been contacted by Mr. Holloway,
Oh.
the CEO of Evermoon Corporation. That's whose base we're running now. They've lost contact with their employees since the explosion and are asking us to try to find them. We can use our rover to do that, but Crust may not be happy. What do we do?
Why would Crust care? We're going to help them, of course.
Thank you for agreeing to help.
Oh, hi!
We received several fragmented messages from survivors at MT4, but then the communication was lost. We have sent you the coordinates of one of our complexes south of MT4. Maybe someone managed to take shelter there. Please check this point first. With your assistance, we have a chance to save them.
More people. Okay.
Doctor.
Oh, sorry. You're still talking. I cut you off. Private lab. Evermoon Research Complex. Can you go there instead? Yeah. How much battery do you have? Some. Do a quick ping, just on the off chance. No. Okay. Investigate. All right. So, you have one of your people, but not your other. Don't you have both your people? You're off. You didn't drop off the robots. Okay, I sort of want you to drop off the robots. They have work to do. Okay, you're now empty. All right, can I now send you out? That one, send with that. You take Ralph and Frank, and you can return to base afterwards. All right.
Director, finding surviving employees of another corporation is a worthwhile endeavor, but it's not our primary concern. Your emotions should not influence your decision-making, and I personally will make sure of it if needed.
That's nice. I can't make your laser. I don't have the materials. I'm working on it.
Research complete.
I'm also working on research. Okay. Single regolith refinery, which means we can get large storage. Large storage looks cheap. Can I slide it up the list? 5,000, 4,000. Okay, we're going to do the 4,000 first, the elevator, and then we'll do the large storage. All right. Not enough resources to build this building. What am I missing? I'm missing components. Okay. This is built. Okay, can we do a demolish? Can I pause the game just in case? Hold down control. I want to do this one, all of that one, and all of that one. Okay, which upsets everything until they rip out some of the walls, and then everything comes back to life. Oxygen needs to be refilled. That's fine. This is why we have an oxygen tank, which is depleting, but it is filling back up, and it means I can finally do this. Come on, guys. I need you to put the floor in. Like, now. Okay, can I put one of these here? I want you to be doing modular frames. All right. I also, well, actually, you know what? Let's go with 2 modular frames. Yeah. Also want to have production. We're having problems with components, so can I put a components factory here and here? All right, now that's done. I want to definitely because it's been a while. Expand this to hum. Okay. Can I grab this power pole? We're going to drag this through to here. Yep. And then if I can get that built, we'll remove the other power poles. And we're definitely going to expand this down. I want more space. I also need to probably get the diggy boys out here in high priority, because we're going to be adding more. I can see it already. Also, probably need to add more oxygen at some stage. We have a production of 5 and a consumption of 2.9. Water's fine currently, but, you know, more is better. All right, so you're now going to do this. I'm going to up the priority on these guys because we have problems with them, and they're not powered. We'll fix that in a minute. Actually, I'm going to fix that now. This is a known bug, so to speak, and the solution is to, well, save and reload. And it's because I extended the room. Yeah, it's still sort of classed as a separate room, but not really a separate room. It's the game's a little bit confused. Just give me 2 seconds. One save and reload later, and our buildings are up and running. I want to max them out and speed up production by 25%. It's really tempting, actually. But they've cleared out the area below. So can I extend out our walls to here? You do operate, you do realize you already have a door in there. Excellent. Can we get that done? Okay. Research complete is conveyor elevators. Excellent. What do I want now? Faster belts. Components factory go faster. I just got a reward for doing something. Hauler velocity. Yes. And we're currently researching how to get people. Okay. All right. So what did we do? Okay. So you reached there. We picked up some science. Excellent. Okay. All right. So power. Really? Okay. Well, we're going to need to do another save and reload. That's fine. All right. We'll do that in a minute. So you're running. Science is hopefully running. Yes. We're making 320 science. We probably need more colonists to make more science go more faster. And this is all built and running flat out. Okay. You have 500, you have 200, you have 1500, which means I need another one of these guys. We're going to hit a belt capacity limit sooner or later, but it's probably not right now. Can I put power? You're at 405, so can I put a power there and... Yep, that's correct. And build those. And, okay, I want to get a upsy-downsy conveyor. Storage lid.
Search complete.
Okay, never mind.
After thoroughly scanning and exploring the area, the rover discovered a protective case with a tablet near one of the doors. In addition to research data, it contained a text file.
Collapse due to a powerful explosion. Kate and the others didn't make it out, and Tanya is seriously injured. 6 of us are alive, including me, MT4 Chief Robert Podolsky.
Oh, Robert!
The outer part of the complex was almost completely destroyed by the blast wave, and the electricity and life support systems are offline. We have a working vehicle, fuel, and oxygen supply. We have enough to reach the Evermoon 3 observation station. Let's see if they had more luck.
Wow.
No biological or any other activity was detected in the complex.
Robert's still alive! Let's go.
That's our Robert. If there's any hope that he's alive, we should keep looking.
We're going to. I'd like to say hi to Robert again. See if he's ever got his coloring books. Surveillance system. Surveillance station. Okay. Alright, so that's done. The research was colonist hiring market. I can now buy colonists. That's great. Can we do... We could upgrade the multi-regolith refinery, but I don't want to upgrade that just yet. I don't want to upgrade smelters just yet. It all costs money. I think I prefer to have more of them rather than spend money. I do want faster belts. Is there anything in here I want? Look, lots of things. There was the machinery that we stopped doing that just requires green. Can I put that higher in the queue? Yes. Okay. Power. They have no connection. All right, we need to restart the game to fix that. All right. Choose production mode. Yeah, that's probably important. Okay, can you make silicon too? All right, finally, can I do logistics? A conveyor. Now, this links upstairs to downstairs. Very, very important. Very, very handy. And just as importantly, if I zoom in and out, I can see where it's going to connect. Also, if I press tab, I can inversely build it down here and see where it's going to join upstairs. I want to put this somewhere important. We need to bring up, well, iron and bricks and a few other things. So I'm thinking, that's right in the middle of a solar field. Here is probably our best bet. It's not really perfect. Like here, right in the middle of a solar field would be better. North of solar field, run the belts over. I don't think I want to. I think I want to aim for here. We're probably going to want multiple of these, not just one. We're going to start with one. We're going to work our way up from there. So can I dump you there? All right. Next thing I want to do is upstairs. Do we have... I don't have bigger storages yet. And they also need modular components, which are not running because I haven't restarted the game. Okay. And we already tried plugging a power socket into a wall. I didn't know I did that separately. That didn't fix the problem. So it's save and load only.
The research station was badly damaged by the explosion. The radar towers were destroyed. The solar panels were also hit, but some of them are still working. Rover's equipment also detected activity underground. Someone may be down there. However, the door to the underground complex looks sealed. The activation panel is malfunctioning. To its left is scratched out traders, and there are tracks. Someone has definitely been here recently. Now, there's dismantled equipment, a huge sealed door, and tracks leading away from the station.
The plot thickens.
The LPS system on the Rover will help us find them. Run a scan near the research station.
That direction. Okay. We're going to move there. And I'm going to save and load. I wonder if it happens to be this stranded convoy. Yeah. All right. Our rover's out trying to find our lovely friends. We want to find Robert. And I really want a button to go from this view to this view to this view. I just want 3 buttons, 3 separate buttons. Rather than tab to move up and down plus X to go out to map view. Okay, large research, large storage. That's definitely something I want. I have enough research in there for right now. Can I do storage? Can I do large storage? And can I start here? Okay, we will come back to that problem. All right, and you, scan. Because we might not be on a time limit and not even know it. There is something. Go there. Okay. And you... 1 rover and a whole lot of silicon. I have a lot of silicon, but I don't have that much silicon. I'm not swimming in silicon. I'm not really swimming in steel either. And I need steel for that. Aluminium, 3 engineers. What's this one? Okay, that's even more expensive. Can we do... Okay, can we do this one? Can we do that transport? Select all. I have those things. Can we get a Dorothy? Can we get a Ralph? And can we get a Frank? And send. Okay. Going back to the base. All right. And Scout Rover. Scan. Searching for survivors. Investigate. Come on, Robert. I want to know if Alice sent you the coloring in books.
Discovered a damaged transport. There were no employees of the Everman Corporation inside. The transport's logbook survived, and the rover is transmitting the contents of the last entry. What caused that explosion? An asteroid? Nuclear strike? What could hit so hard? It doesn't matter now. Tanya's condition has worsened, and medications are running out. Supplies, oxygen, all running low. The transport runs on solar panels, but soon it'll be night, and we won't survive it. We'll head towards the sun, try to buy us some time. If only those bastards at Station 3 had let us in. They survived. I heard knocking, but they didn't open the door. Maybe they know something we don't. Maybe in their place, we would have done the same.
Oh, we need to hurry. Without the sun, we're as good as dead.
It's a tragedy. By the time the sun had set, they had no chance of survival. Thank you for bringing the matter to a close. We will notify their loved ones.
Okay.
Director, there's more. We found an audio recording that appears to be Robert's.
Oh, we get to hear
I
final
don't know why
words
I'm
from
recording
Robert.
another one. Apparently, I miss you and the kids. I'll be home in 2 weeks. This time, we'll go to the mountains. I've had enough sand and beaches. Work, as luck would have it, hasn't slowed down a bit. Alloway insisted on mining right on MT4 and hired a company to do it. They seem to be nice young people with interesting developments. Their Alice reminds me of you when you were young. She's pretty and talks too much. How long has it been since I gave you flowers? Anyway, I have to run. There's something going on here.
Okay. He said ex-wife. Okay. And this says something.
I'll make sure this is passed on to his family.
Okay. Let's go back and investigate that, because it's still on the map. Actually, let's do a ping. Just to confirm. Nothing. Okay. Can I go... No? Research center equipped with radar...
Vector,
Oh.
a horrific tragedy happened to the MT4 crew, and I can't help but wonder what happened at Evermoon 3. Robert said they weren't allowed to go inside, and the rover clearly detected activity inside. But I still can't believe a reasonable person could do such a thing. We can break the sealed door, but that would require sending drones and materials. What do you think?
Let's check out this station, because that's what I was literally trying to do. Which doesn't actually need drones. Oh, no, and it does. Okay. Alright, can I send you to the stranded convoy then? Where is Trucky? Trucky is waiting for the colonists. And you... Okay. I want to store some materials. We're going to store brick. We're going to store steel. We're going to store... I don't know. Silicon. And we're going to store... Actually, I have no idea. Okay, can I get a belt? We're going to bring a belt out of here into here. And then into here. And then into here. And then into here. Build all. Alright. And go downstairs. I need you built. You need modular frames. I don't have modular frames, do I? Resources. Close that. Modular frames. I have 2 of them. Okay. Can I get brick? Can I do a underground... Here should be fairly safe. Okay, and then I want to come out of this storage, down to here, into there, out of here, and into here. And I think it doesn't matter which inn you use, they're all the same, they're all shared. Things can cross whilst going upstairs. Alright, so we need to get this room built. We also need to, well, probably put in another one of these. I don't have the tiles. I can move the belt over, but it's going to be expensive. Well, there's a 100% refund now, so it's probably not that expensive. So you needed a couple of rovers in a camping convoy. After explosion on the moon and the subsequent collapse of lunar infrastructure, facility personnel began an attempt to leave the facilities and remaining excavation points on stranded rovers. This convoy stopped due to equipment failure and battery drain. These people really need help with spare parts supplies. In return, they're willing to give you everything they have. So they need some ice, they need some components, they need some organics. We can do that when the truck frees up. Okay, where is next? Hazardous material storage. That's definitely... Oh, no. Ping. Gotta remember to ping, just in case. Alright, hazardous material storage. Sounds like a place to go. Alright, contracts. I have 1. And 12 days. And you are 0, and I have 60. Okay, let's do this. So I can ship this off apart from the components. The components, I have 144 grand to complete this contract. Can I go to... Yeah, you just don't have a recipe. Okay. Can I go to... No, wrong button. I want to go to the market. Buy. Well, first off, robots. 42, they come down in price. Okay, can I get... Oh, hang on. What do I need? I needed 20. So we need 20 components. More would be better. I have 200 grand. So can we do robots 1, 2, and then 10, 20? Oh, we're overweight. Wrong item. Go away. I get 16. And how much is the contract actually for? It's actually for 20, and I have 1. Well, this costs 4. 11 days. Okay. So, no, back to market. No, it's 2 less than that. 16. 30 grand. And 2 robots. I really want the robots. I do have to admit, I want the robots. Okay, we're going to buy that. We're going to definitely drop that here. I'm going to drop this here. There's nothing trying to be built at the moment. So... these have resources. Engineers are not on the case. Do I want to spend the money to upgrade them? I sort of do. I've also realized that I don't know if this room... no, it's actually wide enough to build things. I can build things already. I am definitely going to be building things already. It's probably not going to be powered, but that seems like a later JD problem after a save and load. Okay. 14. I have max priority, so... you're idle. They're not allowed to engineer. That explains so much. You guys can now engineer. I'm assuming that means you get on the machines? It's a lot of money, but I need them. Okay, that's significantly faster. Alright, that means I should be able to complete this contract. Okay, can I send the resources? We're going to send the whole lot. And standard cargo pod done. Okay, so that'll get shipped off. We're obviously going to have to make the other components. But considering that you're now running at 300% efficiency, that seems like it will do the trick. Yeah. Not enough power. Yep, we know you're going to be broken. That's fine. And modular's being repaired. Yeah, we're trying to get a research so there's less repairing going on. And you got built. Can I get... definitely want 5 more haulers. And we'll turn you off because I don't need to spend the power on you. Alright, so production mode for you, I don't know. Titanium? Fuel. I don't make fuel yet. Titanium. Okay. Alright. And you need the modular frames. The modular frames require these things to run, which without workers are running at 15% efficiency, which is not great. Alright, contract complete. Nice. New contract available. We'll get to you. You have 13 days. And I have none of those. And it's 103 moonbuck contract for... that's 100 of them. 10, 20, 30. I can just buy them and some spare. 117. And that's 90. Ew. Ew. I basically spend everything to break even on this contract. I get 103. So if I do it now, I break even. If I wait, I'll lose out. So we're definitely going to do this. Can I get... it's spending a bit of money, but it's going to be worth it. I think it's going to be worth it. Okay, can I drop the cargo pod right here? Can I go to this one, and we're going to send the resources. Not enough modular frames. I have enough modular frames. I don't have enough of those. That we're going to send minus 30 of those, but that's fine because they are about to land. So that's our 40. That's our 30. Also means this can be built, and that should solve that problem. Okay. Research. Where are we up to? We're doing the robust welding, the machinery. Then we're going to get the haulers run faster, which is good because I'm making more haulers. I wouldn't mind this. This way can be 100% belt operated. It does require some fiddling. Oh, and I also wanted that. Wow. Wow. Safety first is worth 200 for 50 days. Wow. Wow. Okay, you want... I don't have those. You're pushing your luck at this point. Okay, so, down, don't... Okay, you're driving very slowly. Okay. Alright, so, we need to build out this. Which means I need less drones moving around things. That's going to be very, very important. I need to have components on hand. I also need to have rare earth elements. The only way I get rare earth elements is if I turn this on and have the trucks bring in stuff here. In saying that, they're going to have a maximum cap that they can only possibly bring in 10 per minute, because that's as fast as that processes, but I need to have some of those coming in. We are making nanochips. The problem is I'm not storing them. I am making CPUs. The problem is I'm not storing them. I am making deuterium plates. I am making modular frames. I am making more modular frames. I'm now, when they're actually serviced, making these guys as well. Okay. And I need another one of these. And the only way we fix that is by moving the belt over. And I don't really want to move the belt over. But I did say it was 100% refund. So you would go... Oh, actually, no. I don't need to move the belt over. You're meant to have a priority. Yeah, because that's full. I don't need to move the belt over. What we do need to do is remove that section of belt, that section of belt, and that section of belt. And go with the Great Underground. Yeah.
Director,
Solved.
an interesting contract has come in from the Meta Society. They're requesting materials to complete the construction of the first floating city.
Floating city. Technically, deadline 0 days. Okay, sea level is definitely rising, and the Meta Society has been preparing a solution to the problem of coastal flooding for decades. The city on water, oh, it's that sort of floating, okay, will not only serve as protection against natural disasters, but also a whole ecosystem where modern technology and nature will merge. The construction of the first floating city is nearing completion, and to enable people to start living new life in a safe environment, necessary to resume supply materials. We have been offered to deliver frames and titanium plates, which is actually correct for a change, to complete the work. I don't have those. Well, I almost have those, but I did buy some of them, so we're going to accept it. I'm also going to put this here. Okay, I need to tie in more materials. So can we go diggy? Can we rip out... This has been done. So, mined materials. I need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, can I get those little bits of wall? Alright, so I want to bring these into this belt. So we're going to go here to... That's probably too high. Here. Yeah, I should be able to route all those up and above and into here. Can I get my rubber and rub that out? And then go back to digging. No, rubber. And turn off the fire mode, and we'll just dig that out normally. Okay, so we need to cut through there so I can run all those belts together. You I'm going to remove. Oh, actually, I have an iron down here that we never did anything about. Well, I do need iron. Can we grab you? And you. Can I grab a belt? I'm going to bring you to here, and I'm going to bring you straight into... It did say connectors were expensive. So we're going to run that into there instead. Because I can. Then we're going to run that one in there, which still means I'm paying for a connector. And run this down to here. That's definitely not what I wanted. And into there. Okay. It's definitely going to max out my belts, but that's okay. We're researching better and better belts. Package delivered, which is drones and people. And... Do I have that many components? Now they're turbocharged? Not really. Okay, you are doing a very bad job of all bricks go that way. Okay, can you drop resources? Can you drop resources? Drop resources. Okay, and you're empty, you're empty, you're empty. Okay, can I actually? I'm gonna leave that. Yeah, we can have a whole bunch of storage down here and a whole bunch of storage up here. I have 600 bricks moved upstairs already. That's not bad. I can't complain. And this is definitely not being built. It's like I give the drones a job and they go do 5 others. Can I get that done, and that done, and that done, and that done, and that done? Alright. Let me guess. They're just filling up this. It's not maxed out. So they must be... They're filling up these. Oh, because it's burning through 16 per minute. Yeah, I need to get belts into these. Desperately. Okay. Alright. So you guys are digging through there. Can I rip up? Ooh. Okay, I need to have the rolling mill. The rolling mill needs to turn our normal titanium into not normal titanium. So we need to take you. We need to put this production line in front of that production line. No, wrong building. This building. So I'm going to put one of these. You turn 4 into 2, and you turn 9 to 3. So you consume 4, you make 3, you make 3. The bucket's not overflowing, which means I don't have enough. And I am going to split things 50-50 to start with. Do I want to... I don't need to underground right away. Okay, I'm going to plug that in there, and... 3. Yep, and plug that into there. Great. You are going to be the flat type. Great. Belts, build. All right. What's our research? Robust welding. Great. That's less repairs. I like less repairs. We're going to get better wheels, and then everything else is locked behind the machinery, which we're doing right now. Solar panels. Fuel factory upgrade. We haven't got fuel factories up and running yet. Probably need to look into that. Better belts. Okay. You're giving a resource missing icon. I'm out of steel. I'm out of steel. I'm out of steel. That's shocking. Okay, that is hazardous material. Underground storage facility with small machinery park on the surface. Soon after humanity got its foot back on the moon, satellite was used only as an industrial center, but also as a storage site for the most hazardous toxic waste. Spent nuclear fuel, non-recyclable chemicals, and other harmful substances was sent to the satellite, where they were buried in abandoned mines. Hazardous waste unlikely to be useful, but the special machinery can be dismantled for spare parts and machines. We can get some contaminated bricks with some contaminated food with some contaminated water ice. That sounds great to me. Can we go to the stranded convoy? No, can we ping? Nothing. Can we go to there? All right. Why are we so bad on iron? 600. We're so bad on iron because you guys are just chewing through it. We're going to turn you off. And I'm actually going to dismantle you then. You're consuming 16 iron every minute, but you're running at 300% efficiency, which is like a lot of iron. Way more than we produce, obviously. 600 is fine. That's at 1600, which is not fine. Can I put another one of these? Nope. Can I grab this and plug this into here? And this into here. Make sure you have power. And also make sure you're making even more silicon. Meanwhile, slag is not backed up. I'm shocked. Turn you off. Okay. Alright. Cargo truck. Cargo truck has come home. You know what? Where was that? That requires materials which I don't have right this second. But that is just a pickup. I have silicon. Close that. I have silicon. Alright. We're gonna go get the silicon. Can I send you, go, fill, back to base straight afterwards? Yes, please. Alright. Okay, so. Consolidation is not going as planned. Alright. This belt should get even more iron on it. That should come up to here, which is now going to have a throughput cap. But we should be able to upgrade that, upgrade that, upgrade that, upgrade that, upgrade the input to all three of them. And that needs to be upgraded. And then that should already be flat out speed to there.
Director.
Oh.
The repeater has picked up an unusual signal, seemingly emanating from a mobile drilling rig that was hit by the explosion.
Oh, wow.
These colossal machines serve as self-contained lunar regolith mining platforms. They are scarce and costly, but deploying them in resource-rich areas has proven highly lucrative for our business.
That's good to know.
We mustn't let this opportunity slip away. We must investigate the signal site immediately.
Okie dokie. Yes, boss. Belts, whatever that says, build all. Okay. Straining convoy. That is definitely not what I was looking for. Where is this site? Private lab, server hub, mining site. Regular mining site was where mobile drilling rig was last in touch. Okay, so that is miles away. We're going to go via a server hub and we're going to head our way up to the mining site. Our other cargo vessel is loading up right now. He can leave shortly. There's resources in here. You guys just don't take it to there. It's really odd that they instead are taking stuff from this box rather than a closer box. Starting to think maybe putting the boxes on the surface was pointless. Research complete. We now have a small vehicle assembly building, which means that that's something else we're going to have to play with in the next episode, because I'm definitely out of time. We are making progress. I wouldn't call it good progress, but I'd definitely call it progress. We're definitely getting things built a lot faster than we used to be. I have no green circuits because as fast as I make them, I'm willing to bet somebody over here is stealing them. Yes, they're being stolen to do repairs. I think I need to actually build this machine inside the oxygen atmosphere so we can get the engineers to work on the building. Yes, that's probably not a bad idea. But what I need to do is, I need to delete you. That's going to be our answer. And then I can not build you. And then we'll build that one where that one was. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this video here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Do hope you're enjoying the Crust as much as I am. It's a little bit chaotic. There's a lot going on, but I think that adds to it. I think that the constant events keep you active whilst you're trying to think about building a base, and also know that the laser gun is slowly running out of time for you to get it built, and I haven't even started. So I need to leave this here. As always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the very next video. All right, bye.